Hi guys, welcome to Picks from the Six. This is Jose. We're gonna do a karaoke song called Seven. It's from Jun Kun, I guess, and Lato. All right. So it's called Seven. I hope I didn't wreck it too bad, but I hope it will work out. But here we go. I hope the music is not too loud. We're using our sound card. Uh, and seeing how it is for the first time. This is the first recording with the sound card. All right. Let's check it out. Do, 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 do. Breathe. I can't breathe so far. Oh, I missed my mark. Let's try that again. Oh my goodness. This is hard. Hard stuff. You have to get it right. All right, here you go. You're not gonna miss the mark this time. Weight of my world on your shoulders. I kiss your waist and ease your mind. I must be favorite to you, no. I take my hands and trace your lines. It's the way that we can ride. It's the way we can ride. I think I met you in another life, so break up on another time. You wrap me around me and you give me life, and that's all night after night. I'll be loving you right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every day, every second, you know I'm night. Loving you right 7 days a week. Y- You jump when I jumped right in. All the me I'm offering you. Shower devotion deeper than the ocean is. Lean back and take it slow, leaving an afterglow, showing the devotion is deeper than the ocean. It's the way we ride. It's the way we can ride. Think of you another life. So we broke it up for another time. Wrap me around you and give me life. And that's the night after night. I'll be loving you right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 7 days a week. And every hour, every minute, every second, you night after night. I'll be loving you right 7 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, every night after night. I'll be loving you right 7 days a week. Yeah. All right. I'll check it out and then we'll have another song after this. Hopefully it worked out good. Hi guys, welcome to the Picks from the Six. This is Jose. We're singing "Tattoo" by Lauren. I hope you like it. Hopefully it's a good song. Hope won't wreck it too much. Let's try it. This is our second song. I don't wanna go, but baby, we were both know this is not our time. It's time to say goodbye until we meet again. 'Cause this is not our end. It will be a day when we will find our way. Violins playing and angels crying. When the stars align, then I'll be there. No, I don't care about them all, 'cause I only want to be loved, and all I care about is you. You're stuck to me like a tattoo. No one cares about the pain. I walk through the fire and through the rain just to get close to you. You stuck on me like a tattoo. I'm letting down my hair. I'm taking it cool. And you got my heart in your hand. Don't lose it, my friend. It's all I got. Violins are playing and angels are crying. When the stars align, then I'll be there. Don't worry about them all, 'cause I wanna be loved. And I'll care about is you. I'm stuck like you in a tattoo. No, I don't care about the pain. I walk through the fire and the rain. Just be close to you. You're stuck to me like a tattoo. No, I don't care about them all. 'Cause I don't want to be in love. And I care about is you. I'm stuck to you like a tattoo. No, I don't care about the pain. I'll walk through the fire and through the rain. Just get closer to you. And you're stuck to me like a tattoo. All I want is all love. Oh, oh, oh. All I want is about is love. And you are stuck to me like a tattoo. Thank you very much. There's the one. Thank you. Next song. Hi guys, welcome to Picks from the Six. This is Jose. We're doing Rainy in Manila. There's no English karaoke, so I'm gonna sing with the backtrack, and hopefully it's a good duet. All right, Rainy in Manila. Here we go. It's a beautiful place. The Philippines. I just visited like 3 months ago. Met some hosts there, and I had a good time. Get this party started. All right, one, two, three. Sorry, missed my mark. Here we go. One more time. Won't miss the mark this time. One, two, three. Let's go. Start with this sound card. It's been raining in Manila. Aren't you cold? It's been raining in Manila. Aren't you cold? But if it's raining in Manila, I won't hear you. Lying down and shivering alone. If I'm waiting in Manila, even if you don't come back. Does the rain on your side? It pours here. I'm sorry I won't be there to walk to you through your joys. Oh, it's a little fast. Sorrows and ups and downs of your everyday. Now I can only see you when my eyes closed and lost in my dreams. And how are you when, well, I don't need an answer. I hope the stars hasn't lost in shine. And I hope you are still like that. Been raining in Manila, aren't you cold? It's hard to shiver alone. Raining in Manila, aren't you cold? But in my dark world, the stars are gone. So fast. Does it feel like something out there that you left behind here? What the rain if it's in paradise? It's hard to hear. Before whenever I slip, you used to be close. Well, now I have no one to share my warmth with. But or I hope it stopped raining. How are you? Well, you don't need. Now the stars have lost their shine. I hope you feel like that. It's been raining in Manila, and aren't you cold? It's hard to shiver alone. It's raining in Manila, aren't you cold? And the dark, my world is dark and its stars are gone. Well, music interlude. I'm holding my laptop so I can read it. Do. I hope this is coming out as good as I can hear it in the soundboard. A long interlude. It's actually a long song for a minute. So I think this is the intro. I think goodbye to it. Almost done. Do. I like the jazz beat and all that stuff there. You know, nice monkey beat also included. Very nice melody with all these different genres blending in together. I like it. Here we go. How are you? And don't need to answer. I hope the stars hasn't lost their shine. I hope you are still like that. It's been raining in Manila, isn't it cold? Oh no, there's no more English. We're waiting for Manila Baka. And oh well, that's it for me. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. We're back to singing karaoke. See ya.